The wound was quite serious and required serious treatment. Sprunky had no one who could help him. He had to treat his own wounds with great difficulty. He looked for equipment that could be used to clean and treat the wound. He found a rusty knife and an old chainsaw among a pile of rubbish in the building. Carefully, Sprunky cleaned the wound on his skin using a knife. He tried his best to endure the excruciating pain. Once the wound was clean, he tried using a chainsaw to cut the hairs around the wound that were blocking it. However, the chainsaw wasn't working properly. Sprunky had to fight hard to start the machine. Finally, Sprunky managed to cut the feathers around the wound. He then cleaned the wound again with clean water and applied antiseptic medicine. Sprunky felt relieved that he had managed to treat his own wound. Even though the wound still hurt, Sprunky knew that he had to stay strong and patient. He had to wait for the wound to heal by itself. Every day, Sprunky cleans and treats his wounds carefully. He also tried not to move too much so that the wound didn't get worse. After a few weeks, Sprunky's wounds began to improve. He can walk and jump normally. Sprunky was very happy because he had managed to get through those difficult times.